Do you know the principles that drive project management? Here is a rundown of the 12 principles of project management according to the PMI PMBOK 7th edition. The first is be a diligent and respectful and caring steward. Stewards have the responsibility to carry out activities with integrity and fear and trustworthiness while maintaining compliance with both internal and external guidelines. The second thing is to create a collaborative team environment. Project teams are made up of individuals who wield diverse skills, knowledge, and experience. Project teams ought to work collaboratively to accomplish shared objectives. The third thing is effectively engage with stakeholders. One of the most important things about project management is engaging stakeholders. So you need to engage stakeholders in a very proactive manner so as to contribute to the success of the project and customer satisfaction. The fourth thing in project management is that we focus on value. It's very, very important. You continually evaluate and adjust objectives, the project objectives, so it aligns with the business objectives and it gives the intended benefits and value to the customer. The fifth thing is you need to recognize, evaluate, and respond to system interactions. You need to recognize, evaluate, and respond to the dynamic circumstances within the surrounding the project in a holistic manner so as to positively affect the project outcome. The sixth thing is to demonstrate leadership behavior. One very big thing about project management is leadership. Project management is synonymous with leadership. We cannot emphasize it, we cannot overemphasize it. As far as project management is concerned, deals a lot with leadership. The seventh thing is tailor-based on content. Design the project development approach based on the context of the project. What are its objectives? Who are the stakeholders? What's the governance that is involved? And what is the environment that is involved? It's very, very important. The eighth thing is to build quality into processes and deliverables. We don't wait until the end before we talk about quality in project management. We maintain focus on quality that produces deliverables that meet project objectives and align with the needs, uses, and acceptance requirements set forth by relevant stakeholders. This is very, very important. The next thing about project management is we navigate complexity. Our projects sometimes can be very, very complex. And one of the things about project management is the ability to break it down so that we can successfully navigate while the project is in its cycle. Next thing is we optimize risk responses. One very, very important thing about project management is risk. And how do you optimize response? So the 10th thing is optimizing risk responses. The 11th thing is to embrace adaptability and resilience. We build adaptability and resilience into an organization and the project team so that you can help the project to accommodate change and recover from setback as well as advance the work of the project. Last but not the least is to enable change to achieve the envisioned future state, as we say in project management. We enable change to achieve the envisioned future state. We prepare those who are impacted by the adoption and the sustainment of new and different behaviors and processes required for transition from the current state to the intended future state created by the project outcome. My name is Sunday Yahaya and I am a PMI certified project management professional. Welcome to this channel where we discuss all things project management. We will be having our online training on project management very soon, and this training is going to be free for as many people that subscribe. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section as well as your questions so that we can attend to them in subsequent videos. Thank you very much.